Good morning, everyone. This is Bharat Rawat, Special Correspondent, Aviation Defence and Universe, getting you live from Minipole, India 2025. We are now with Sir Tejinder Singh, and his company name is JTSS IPL. And Sir, you tell about us about the company and your futuristic goal and your presence in Minipole and the products you are dealing with. So please tell us.
Yeah, good morning. My name is Tejinder Singh and I belong to the company. The registered name is JT Security Systems and Integrations Private Limited, which is more better known as a JTSS IPL as a brand. We are dealing with indigenous products for periphery security, which are quite robust and in accordance with the specifications approved by MHA, especially for defense persons and government departments. Here we have presented our spike barriers. We had two different type of spike barriers. One is there are two different operation systems. One is electromechanical and another is hydraulic. Both the models are available with both the technology, and they are quite capable to carry on 50 to 120 ton load. And we can customize it as per requirement. Since it's our in-house product, we had no issue to tailor it according to your size or your requirement. Currently, we are in this product. A part of this, we are making some revolving lights, LED based as well as xenon and halogen, which are being used as a, on the watch towers or peripheries to better surveillance. And our very soon we are coming with some specific products for the defense, as our Prime Minister have initiated in drive to make in India, as the defense is also looking forward to make each and every product in India. So we would like to contribute a little bit from our side also. So we are looking forward to join hand with defense. Already we are doing business on GEM or through vendors. We have, a part of our own products, we are also dealing with some third-party products as a system integrator or a supplier.
So your plan to expansion the business, or
Since we are going to expand our business towards defense specific products. So for in support of, as we are aware that they have categorized some products for which they are looking in the market. So we are planning to provide them those products. We are sorting them out so that we can provide them on a regular basis. As part of that, we are developing some products, especially for metro or railways, for airports, such as helipad lights or signal lights.
Currently we are doing any project for the Indian Army, Navy or Air Force, any
No,
forces?
not immediate, but we already did. We have supplied some material. We have supplied the spike barriers, we have supplied the DFMD, we have supplied the barriers also. So there are a lot of things are there.
So totally products you are talking about, it's all indigenous 100%? Are we importing something like any parts or something?
Any brand from any product from JTSS is 100% indigenous.
Okay, sir.
Unless until we have some consent for the product or a spare part which are not available in India. which is not produced in India, there is our limit. Otherwise, yeah, we can openly say that more than 85% of our products are made in India.
That's great, sir. That's great. And anything you would like to add in this conversation?
आई थिंक अब तो यही कह सकते हैं, हमारी जो कंपनी है वो बिलीव करती है, ऐसे लिखा हुआ भी है आपने हमारे इसमें, समय की मांग भारतीय उत्पाद, ये हमारा मोटिव है.
Okay, sir. That's
इसको
great,
लेके
sir.
चलते हैं.
Yes.
भारत बाद हमारी.
So it's nice conversation with you, sir.
Same here.
Nice to meet you. And we are just telling our viewers that this is a company, and we are meeting sir with the information we are having here.
Very energetic and dedicated my colleagues
Yes.
who are with me day in day out. With Shamim Khan, who is looking after our marketing.
Nice to meet.
With Radhika, who is looking after the production.
Okay, sir. So we'll